Hello, my name is Hernan Cortés. Not that Hernan Cortés. I'm a PhD in law student and I'm studying how contract law can help to protect environmental interests. Environmental protection is not limited to a single discipline or area. For example, research in law can contribute from the perspective of public policies, but also from the private law that regulates the most common actions like signing contracts, for example. And what is interesting is the potential of private law for the protection of a public interest. And that is the subject of this research. You might think that this is a simple issue. After all, the protection of the environment is something we all care about, right? But contracts are usually treated like a bubble in which its contents and the parties involved are oblivious to what happens outside them, as long as they respect the fundamental guidelines of society. Here we find a tension between the intangibility of contract and the interests of other individuals of the community. Fortunately, we can resort to the most fundamental action in the resolution of legal conflicts. It depends. But the important thing is what it depends on, for which we will need to study the tools of nullity and breach of contract. The former determines if a contract can produce its effects. There are two main goals. First, to justify that environmental protection is one of the guidelines that can cause a contract to be null. And secondly, if someone unrelated to the contract could void it. The rules of non-compliance gives you the choice of asking for compliance, termination, or compensation in case of a breach. Here we also find two objectives. First, to establish when environment is part of a contract using the interpretation rules, and secondly, if it would be possible to limit certain remedies if they will cause a significant environmental impact. If we manage to reconcile all this, contract law offers a very interesting perspective for this topic. While you protect your own interest, you achieve the protection of a general one that could be called a democratization of environmental protection, thanks to which the tension I referred before could just disappear. If you want to know more about the subject, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.